iconic car in the 1970s, and it still has a following today. Good evening, everyone, and thank you for joining us. I'm Gene Burke. The founder of Bricklin Cars, Malcolm Bricklin, was in Bowling Green today. WBKO News reporter Brandon Jarrett spoke with Malcolm about his car and the future of Bricklin Cars.
Because these cars are so different.
If you've never heard of a Bricklin car, when you see one, there's no way you could miss it. Only 3,000 Bricklin cars were made between 1974 and 1975. And today, it's estimated around 1,500 are still on the roadways. Founder Malcolm Bricklin was in Bowling Green on Friday, where he spoke about his car, the Bricklin SV1, that still has a cult following. Malcolm says the future
is electric. And I sat with my people and I said, electric, what is it that we can do that is different than what everybody else is doing? One of the keys that you hear when you hear electric is lose weight, lose weight, lose weight, make everything lighter. So I said, hey, if I make a hemp body, I'll have a material 10 times stronger than steel and light and inexpensive. I can grow it. It's legal now to have hemp.
From its sleek body to its Gull-wing doors, the Bricklin car is still finding new enthusiasts over 45 years after its making.
We drove to Tennessee and bought the thing a day after I saw my first Bricklin. And of course then, you never imagined that a 1975, mine is a 75, car would have such a following.
Malcolm says founding the Bricklin car still motivates him to this very day.
It's like seeing your kids. I see them on the road and I smile. And I see them here, and more important than the car, I see what it does with the people who own the car. And they're all nice people, the kind of people I want to be around. It's an interesting world. I'm going to keep on doing it until I die, and it's going to keep me young until I die.
Reporting in Bowling Green, Brandon Jarrett, WBKO News.
That's awesome. Malcolm is currently in the process of producing an electric vehicle that will be under $25,000.